Welcome to this 3-bedroom house for sale in Waterfall, South Africa for R1,450,000. Newly renovated and neat as a pin. Just move in and enjoy the convenience of being close to the new Watercrest Mall and the Link Hills Shopping Centre. Link Hill Medical Centre across the road and library around the corner. So central. With a pool in the complex, you can enjoy it without having to look after it. Brand new kitchen with granite tops and fittings for 2 washing machine and dishwasher. The lounge and dining room are open plan and tiled with gorgeous porcelain tiles. There is a guest loo on the ground floor. The dining room opens onto an undercover patio with pretty garden and pleasant views. All the bedrooms are upstairs and are carpeted. 2 of the bedrooms offer built-in cupboards. These 2 rooms also enjoy pretty views. The main bedroom has an ensuite bathroom. There is a family bathroom. The 3rd bedroom has its own little balcony. Call now to view this property with Jackie Johnson of Charles Everitt Property Group. For more information on this property or to arrange a viewing, please contact us.